Just my cup maker YouTubers. It's gonna set the brew with the water. Pretty vintage. Starting the bubble. Got the craft. Got my Stanley thermos. Just gonna show you guys here. This is the best thermos ever. Pretty standing that shit. It's a good thermos. It works, surprisingly. It works. It works so good. Oh shit, oh fuck it. That piece of shit, it doesn't work. It doesn't damn good. It's really bad in the bun. The one come here sucks. This is my YouTube channel. Thermos dead on my own over there, as you can see on the clock. I'm gonna watch it brew because I'm fucking baked right now. So I'm in my apartment in London. Oh. Got my little thermos. Just gonna show you guys the thermos. And Stanley. I got my pour cap stopper. I'm gonna be selling this coffee maker on Kijiji for about 50 bucks. It fucking brews so good. You can also sneak the pod, sneak the cup. You can sneak it up too. Pretty as fuck. It's my thermos. The plasma thermos, you do the fucking plasma thermos. You wanna get the ones with the US stamp? This one's stamped out the fuck. My video works pretty good. It's a 1983 Black & Decker Thermocraft coffee maker TGM 411 Thermocraft coffee maker. It's safer than the bun. It's a good thermos. I use it every day. I use it for camping and shit. Like I'm going camping or I need a hot drink, I would carry it. I'm carrying a drink, I'll use this thermos. It does not like this handle better than my full core handle. And it's pretty good. Thermocraft coffee maker. Just gonna brew some fucking water. Show you how it works and dump it in the thermos. You got Black & Decker, start, select, off, brew, off. The green's the brew, the blue's the turn off. Still works. Pretty fucking good, works pretty fast. I'll show you how to turn it off. I'm just testing this button right here to show you it turns off. Now it's gonna start brewing fast as fuck. I just turned it off to show you guys how it works. I recommend this coffee maker. It's built for life. It's by Black & Decker. I don't like the bun or I don't like the space maker. That's just not my kind of preference of a coffee maker. It's bad because it's steam can wreck the cabinets if you use this. It's got me pretty much brewed good and sure and safe. Here, coffee maker. It's going a lot. I call it a thermos. You brew the thermos. Still works. Those are my crutches. I'm smart getting ready at night when I brew it. pretty quickly. It does work. It's copy pretty as fuck. That broom pretty goddamn fast. Still functions, still works. It does work. But all it does is fucking catch. See, it's coming up worse, so it's light. It still works good. You got the nice craft, you got the... It's fucking brewing that shit pretty hot. This is a craft. It's fucking hot, YouTubers. By Black and Decker, it's boiled the fucking shit, so like and subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you like this video, and Parish.